mother?
One in the moors, and one left behind by her father, King Stefan. Was it not?
That castle was never my home. It was given to the people.
So, you're also a true princess, even though Stefan died, was killed. Remind me, did he die, or was he killed?
Both.
Yes, you're right. It's very warm recently.
Because I remember the story of a baby cursed to sleep and never wake up.
Really? Who would do such a terrible thing to an innocent child?
Well, there are many who prey on the innocent. I'm sure your kind would agree.
What do you mean, my kind?
She means humans.
There are fairies missing from the moors,
What I'm missing is some wine.
stolen by human poachers.
That's the first I've heard of it.
Someone gave the order.
Sounds as if you're accusing the king.
No, she never said that. But, sorry, who would steal a fairy?
Your Majesty, I must report that 2 peasants were found dead just outside the moors. They'd been missing for several days.
I see.
Yes, we all see. The borders are open, but humans are not welcome, isn't that right?
What exactly are you implying, Your Majesty?
Innocent men are being slaughtered on the moors. And she's talking about fairies.
Contain your animal, or I will.
If I didn't know better, I'd say you were making a threat.
Well, do you?
Do I what?
No better.
Enough.
Put her down. Please put her down.
We're here to celebrate.
Forgive me. He's right. Let's not forget why we're here. The start of a new life for Aurora. Cheers.
Cheers.
You have done an admirable job, Maleficent, going against your own nature to raise this child. But now, Aurora will finally get the love of a real family, a real mother, because the one thing I regret is never having a daughter of my own. But tonight changes that. Tonight, I consider Aurora my own.
We've opened our home to a witch! There is no union! There will be no wedding!
Maleficent!
We must protect the king!
Maleficent, please stop now!
John, I'm so frightened.
Ah, what has she done to me? Father!
John! We go home. John!
It's a curse.
There's a curse! Maleficent has cursed the king!
What have you done?
I've done nothing. Aurora, we go home now.